guys, and welcome to my new apartment in Da Nang. I know that a lot of you were waiting for my new apartment tour, so let's go, let's dive into it. So let's start from this feature that is amazing, that you can enter the apartment just using your fingerprint. So you don't need a key or a card. Look at this. Just like that. I never seen anything like this before in my life. So welcome. So let's check it out. Once you enter, we have a big kitchen with a big living room. So let's start from the living room, of course, like the chilling area. So there is a big sofa that is super comfortable. Very nice color also, and they gave us some pillows. And the blanket I got by myself because I needed some cozy blanket because the sofa is kind of, it's like a leather, fake leather. Here we have some paintings, like very nice, like an Asian style, a clock, very nice coffee table. I love it. And the best part of the living room is the huge TV. Yes, so when you sit here, you can watch TV, and the TV is enormous. I've never had such big TV in my life, in any apartment I lived. And in Luxembourg, yeah, I had little TV. So here we have a little balcony. I like that we have also this and the curtains. The curtains are very good quality, very thick material, very easy to use it. So when you check out from the balcony, so you open the balcony like this. And here is the beautiful view from the balcony. Yoo-hoo! Amazing view. I know, all of you probably expected something crazy like a sea view or I don't know, whatever, like a beautiful Dragon Bridge view. But this is the reality. I actually don't like this view. And because of the wall and the sun goes like there in the morning and then there, we don't have much light in this apartment, so it's a bit dark. And here I feel a bit like in a cage, But let's stop complaining. Let's go to see the other part. So here we have some flowers. Woohoo! But at least I have a little balcony to go out and check the weather, to see if it's warm or raining or not. So yeah, that's a good part of the apartment. Let's go to the kitchen. So this area is a beautiful kitchen area. It's huge. Here we have, also what's very nice is that the owner gave us so many plants, like this flower, this one, it was like a welcome gift flower. I also love that there is this nice cute light above the table. So the table is huge, which is amazing. It's very sturdy. We also got pot for the water and glasses, looks very nice. The chairs are very comfortable and beautiful. So you have this nice dining area. You can work from here, you can eat here. It's very nice. Here, I love that you have shoe rack here that is closed. So all the mess, all the shoes are basically inside. So it makes everything looks tidy. Here we have a space for our hats. I was thinking that here I will be able to put the keys, but I don't have any key because you enter with the fingerprint. And here right above the main door, there's AC, number 1. Let's go to the kitchen. What I love the most about this kitchen is the fact that we have 2 burners here on this induction, 1 and 2. Thanks to that, sorry for the mess, don't mind it. Thanks to that, we can cook finally meat and pasta in the same time. This is amazing. I really love, the second thing I love the most about this kitchen, it's that everything is closed. It's hidden. I don't know if you remember, in my previous 2 apartments in Da Nang for $300, everything was open, like shelves, so you could see all the mess. And if you go from this perspective, if you look from this perspective, there is no much mess going on. So all food and utensils are hidden in the shelves. I really like also this shelf here. It's for wet dishes, because in Vietnam, I never seen yet apartment with a dishwasher. So you have to clean by hands, like a hand wash. And this is cool that you can keep all your wet dishes right here and they will dry here. Here is the only open space where we keep some protein shakes, coffee, tea. We have space for our air fryer, bottle of water and kettle. The fridge is very spacious. I really like that. And the refrigerator. Okay, so that's the kitchen. Nothing special, but looks nice and cozy and modern. Also this light, here if you press, it changes the amount of the lighting, you know. You can make it brighter or darker, or just turn it off. And there's also light here, and you can turn it off. Oh, if you move hand right, it turns on the range hood, and everything gone. I discovered it accidentally. You know, I was cooking and I'm here, and there was this going, and I moved my head like this, and it turned off, and I was like, what happened? I didn't click anything. Okay, moving forward, we have basically a separate laundry room. This is amazing. You can put all your mess here, close the door and forget. A washing machine, that's new, because this apartment is brand new. We have also a dryer. This, I bought it recently, it was just like €9. And here we have separate small bathroom, which is like a guest bathroom. On the mirror, there's also a special light. And are you flying home for Christmas? If yes, I have a special discount for you until 2nd of January. 20% discount for Saily eSIM for 10 gigabytes and more. Use my code NomadicClaudia at the checkout or scan the QR code here to get 20% discount. Hurry up because it's only until 2nd January. So if you're flying now for Christmas or New Year's Eve and you need mobile data on your phone, you just download the application on your phone, Saily, choose the country you are traveling to, and at the checkout put code NomadicClaudia to get 20% discount for 10 gigabytes and more. Let's go further. Let's see the bedroom now. My favorite area of the house is the bedroom. Look at this bed. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this bed with this light underneath was the main factor why we chose this apartment, because I felt in love with this bedroom. Look at this, it's so cozy, so beautiful. And here there is this very nice mirror with the beautiful light around it. Sometimes I even work from here because it's quite nice. Hello. I like it working here because it's like a quiet in this space, and I can keep it warm. The bedroom is very nice. Here is the second balcony, similar like the other one. Another amazing feature of this apartment is you can go to take a shower, and after the shower you can just jump straight to the bed. And the bed is huge and super comfortable. It's like in a hotel, and this apartment is brand new. We are the first tenants renting it. In the bedroom is a separate AC unit, which is amazing because you can keep the bedroom off AC during the day and put it during the night on. And here also there is a big wardrobe and cupboard for the clothes with a plenty of space, enough for 2 people. And here is this main bathroom with a shower, and everything is like very new and modern. A lot of space for cosmetics here. Toilet and simple shelves for your cosmetics and basic needs. Big sink. I like that there's a lot of space here. Also, you can put something here. There is also space there. It's for the towels, the hangers, and another light on the mirror. So it's very good. And in the apartment, you can always change the light mood. You can put either this one or more white light, or keep it romantic, cozy, and just use this light. And how much do we pay for this apartment? So this apartment costs 17 million Vietnamese dong, and this price already includes water, fast Wi-Fi, electricity. And we had to sign a contract for 6 months. There was no possibility to sign it just for 3 months. And we had to also pay 3 months in advance. So 3 times 17 million Vietnamese dong. And deposit. Deposit was 1 month payment. And because we ended up contract on the previous apartment, the little studio apartment that we had for $300. We moved out earlier, we wanted something bigger. We actually lost our deposit. It was 8.5 million Vietnamese dong, over $300. But I have a solution. If you are planning your trip to Southeast Asia, like Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Bali, Vietnam, like Da Nang, Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh, and you're looking for apartment, but you are worried about losing your deposit, me and my friend Marcus, we created a product that's called Nest Travel. It's an application. You can also see their website, link below. And you can basically buy a subscription. This subscription will cover all your expenses like deposit, monthly utilities. So you just pay subscription and then you just go and live in the apartment. You can just choose on their website which studio apartment would you like to rent, in which country, and we'll take care of all the logistics. So I will leave the link in the description below. If you will book it using my link, you will help your favorite creator to keep going and doing more videos and to keep my channel alive with no extra cost for you. So thank you so much, guys. Let's go now to see the rooftop. Okie dokie, so we have a big elevator with a mirror and we're going to the 8th floor. Okay, so when you go here, on the left there is a gym, amazing gym. So I'm working out here every day right now. Treadmill, bicycle, you can do here squats and everything you want. Here we have dumbbells, kettles, another bicycle, stepper. Here you can do your leg workout and your back workout. So the gym is quite huge and amazing. We have also an AC here. This is so cool because in the previous apartment I also had rooftop gym, but there was no AC, so I never wanted to use it. It was too hot. We have also a big mirror here. Also, we didn't have mirror in the previous apartment, the gym. So the gym is quite spacious and it's included in the price of the apartment. So it's great to working out here. And here we have an amazing view of Da Nang. I will later show you also how all this looks at night because it's amazing, it's beautiful. So over there are mountains and Bana Hill is somewhere there. It's beautiful. Here is a new apartment, also built recently. Here we have a view for the Sun World. It's like this Ferris wheel that never works. There is a Dragon Bridge over there, Han River, and the whole Da Nang city, the beach side. Here we live in Hai Chau district, behind the Han River, on the city side. So I'm gonna show you the other side of the rooftop, which is another view. But this view is pretty cool, especially during the night. Okay, and that's our view from the building at night. Back there is a Dragon Bridge, and I bet you can see a fire show from here. And here we have amazing, huge terrace. Hello, xin chào, with a barbecue. The cleaning lady is now here. Hello, xin chào. So here we have a fridge, sink, and here you can do electric barbecue. I think nobody used it yet, but it's so nice. We have also here like a little lamps. So you can do a party here. The rooftop is very big, as you can see. And here is the view for the Han River. And this is the bridge I have to cross when I go to the beach side. You can also see marble mountains. And can you see this construction here, this one going on? So this construction, it's quite loud and you can hear it during the night, so it's not really good. So that's the disadvantage of living here, that it's quite loud because of the construction. They opened also a bar next door, like week after we moved in, and it was quite loud from karaoke, and even local people, when they talk, it's quite loud and I can't sleep, so I have to sleep with the earplugs. So this noise, it's actually really disturbing on this part of the city. And I thought that living on the city side, surrounded by local people, I will have peaceful nights and quiet. But I didn't expect that local people can speak so loud. Over there I can see the plane starting, the perching. So the airport is right there. There's also the big stadium here. And here, right here is a Lotte Mart. It's a big shopping mall where you can go and buy some groceries. So I was pretty excited renting an apartment in this place because I thought it would be quiet, close to Lotte Mart, so I can go do my groceries anytime day I want, and it's open until 10 p.m. And here is the praying room for the family that owns the building. So this is how it looked, the apartment from outside. And it's called Rollington Serviced Apartment if someone is interested. And yeah, and this is where I'm living. Alrighty, and this is the entrance during the night. Look how beautiful and Christmas vibe already we have here. Wow. It is adorable. So we have a little Christmas vibe here in the lobby. So yes, that's the new apartment tour that I promised I would give you. And I also have a video. I'm working on also another video to show you the supermarkets in Da Nang. So I hope you enjoy the video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications and put the like to this video. It really helps me a lot to grow, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.